We've got something cooking last Friday for SMCI. You see this almost breakout. It happened on Friday. We've got this trend, guys, forming on Friday. The price reversed as we discussed, guys, back in 4th of March. And now we've got an imminent breakout. Might happen tomorrow pre-market on Monday. So in today's video, we have to discuss this reaction. What's the first signal for the early squeeze for SMCI, because the squeeze, as we discussed before, is still around the 43.37, but now we have another signal that will confirm that we have an early reversal starting by tomorrow on Monday. So guys, hit the like button and the way in. In today's video, we have to discuss the price action for SMCI tomorrow, the 10th of March on Monday. Even before the market open, we might have the first signal by tomorrow in pre-market. So for now, let me know, are we gonna have the breakout in pre-market? Because we might gap up, guys. On Friday, we have a nice test and the price got shorted before the market open or before the market close right there at the power hour. And then we have a little jump in after hours. So now we have the 38.38. I don't make this level up, guys. This is the level that we have tested last Friday and we've been testing before, and right now we almost like broke out from it in after hours in Friday, but we don't have the enough volume to break that level. But just from the trend, guys, we've got an imminent breakout. Look at this trend, the white trend here. We have first test back in the Wednesday, 5th of March. We have a dive down. After that, we have Thursday test and Friday test. So 3 tests, guys. In the last, the end of the trading session last week, we have 3 tests here. And now next week, it might be the turning point for SMCI to go over the 38.38. So the first signal, guys, for SMCI to go higher and have a green day, because last Friday we have just 3% up. For the next week, we might have the first signal for a reversal and do 30%, because the last reversal we did 22%. This time, if we jumped here, guys, we might do at least 12% for the beginning of the trading session on Monday, but the 38.38 is the most important level to break. So there's 2 scenarios here for SMCI for tomorrow. Either we're gonna have a breakout in the pre-market. This would be a best signal, guys, for SMCI to gap up until the 40.88 or just below the 41. So this is the first sign or the first thing that we have to watch out for, the first scenario that we should watch out for SMCI before the market open on Monday, which is a gap up and test the 41. This will give us at least a jump of almost 7%. The other scenario is not breaking the 38.38, but consolidating down below this level before the market open to break it during the market open. So 2 scenarios is breaking before the market open over the orange line, or not breaking, but will be consolidating down below the 38 before a breakout from the 38.38. This is the 2 good scenario for SMCI that we have to watch out for tomorrow. The next thing that you should ask right now, of course, after we break the 38.38, what's that mean for SMCI? Let me just show you what's happened for SMCI. We have a huge drop, guys, for SMCI since the 19th of February. We pulled back almost 50%. And every time when we have a huge push back up, we have 30% reversal. Last time we have 20% reversal. So now we need to confirm this is the bottom, because in the big picture, as we discussed, guys, the 31.13 should be the bottom, because if we don't hold this level, is mean the buyers who bought around the earnings, they left the game, and of course the short seller will be left alone and the price will continue to go down toward the 25. But in this scenario right now, we're still holding over the 31.13 and we didn't even test it, and now we're doing a new high, or the new like a new high over the 35 lower high over the 35, 34. So we didn't go toward the 32 or the 33 that time, and we held, and now we are trying to break this trend that we've been forming lately. So this is the most important thing for SMCI to establish support, break the resistance around the 38, of course, 38, 38, and of course, next time breaking and going toward the 43, 37. I'm putting the 41 first because this is another level where the short seller added their position. And of course, the other level that we're gonna go to, the most important level for this month, guys, before the end of this month, is breaking the 43, 37. Why? Because once we break the 37 or the 43, 37, we have to jump, of course, almost 15%. But once we break this level, is mean the reversal started to happen, because this is not reversal. This is just a reaction from the market for a discounted price for SMCI. I don't care about this level. I need a breakout from first this trend. This is the first signal, of course, breaking this level. So the short seller will cover first around 38, 38. The second cover up, the most important one, is around 43, 37, because once we break this level, guys, we're gonna see the $50, and this is will give us a huge jump on 30%. Again, I don't make this up. 30%. It is the most important reversal or confirmation for a reversal for SMCI. 30%. This is just the start. So we have to break first the 38, 38 by the pre-market. This is the optimum. I'm just talking about the optimum reaction for SMCI. It's breaking the 38, 38 before the market open by tomorrow in the pre-market. And of course, if this happened, what we should do, of course, we're going to discuss it early here on our Discord, guys. The link in the comment section below, guys, if you want to join us on Discord, because over there we always discuss the market before the market open. We discuss the market here. We do a mini update here. Of course, we do live streaming. We do like day trade, swing trade. And the last time we did the day trade, it was for GV. Once the price was around the $2.50, and of course the stock went around the $7. So we always do those updates every time on Discord. And of course the pre-market watch list video, this is where we kind of cover SMCI before the market open to warn you about the other support and resistance, and of course how to play the market before even the market open, because sometimes the guys, the most important thing is preparation before the market open, because once the market open, huge volatility, we can't actually answer all the questions during the live streaming that we do every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So we always do preparation before the market open on our Discord and Patreon, and after that we start the hunt and continue the trading session on YouTube. But the most important thing is prepare before the market open. So as we said, if the pre-market open and we have a pre-market gap for SMCI, we're going to cover it first on our Discord and Patreon. After that, we're going to cover it on our YouTube around 9 a.m. Eastern time, as usual, every day. And of course, hit the like and subscribe if you don't want to miss this breakout and this squeeze for SMCI minute by minute, second by second. Thank you for watching. Plus the like button on the way in, and thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.